Hello everyone, welcome back to Super English Podcast. Today we are going to learn English through one of the most popular business books in the world, Rework. This book teaches us that starting a business is much easier than most people think. Many people dream about starting a business. They have ideas, they have goals, they have plans, but they never start. Why? Because they believe they need more money, they believe they need more experience, they believe they need the perfect plan. The book Rework says something different. It says stop waiting, start now. So today we will learn the most important lessons from this amazing book. Let's begin. Lesson number 1. Start before you feel ready. Many people wait for the perfect moment. They say, I will start next year. I will start when I have more money. I will start when I know everything. But the truth is simple. There is no perfect time. Successful people don't wait. They start with what they have. Imagine you want to start a clothing business. You don't need a huge factory. You don't need a big office. You can start with a few products. You can learn as you go. The first lesson is clear. Start now. Don't wait for the perfect conditions. Lesson number 2. Action is more important than planning. Planning is important, but too much planning can become a problem. Some people spend months planning, some spend years planning, but they never take action. The author of Rework believes that action teaches more than planning. When you take action, you get real experience. When you take action, you discover problems. When you take action, you find solutions. Action creates learning. So don't spend all your time planning. Take the first step, then take the second step, then keep moving forward. Lesson number 3. Keep things simple. Many businesses become complicated. They add too many products, they add too many features, they add too many rules. But customers often prefer simplicity. Simple products are easier to understand, simple businesses are easier to manage, simple systems are easier to improve. Remember this sentence: simple is powerful. If something can be simple, make it simple.